soft copies already for more than 30 years. So that was the condition, if I may finish, sir. That was the condition that was requested and posed before any action can be taken. That copy was provided earlier, and that copy, a hard copy, will have to also be provided to the requested.
To whom was it sent? Because my client is actually insisting for a copy because
We can send you a copy now, sir. That is all right to do.
Well, I've been here for almost 2 hours. At saka, ang basis ng pagbawasan nyo ng batas, saan ba? Anong batas? Batas ng Pilipinas o batas na ini-implement na nag-withdraw na tayo 2 years ago? Hindi po ba?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are implementing the warrant of arrest that is being implemented now is by virtue of a warrant of arrest issued by the ICC as contained in the red notice list, sir. But in the process of implementing the warrant of arrest and informing the President of his rights, we are applying the laws of the Philippines because it is within Philippine jurisdiction.
But we're still implementing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Although which is being implemented by a foreign entity, where we have to
Yes, sir. By committee, sir, we have to assist also.
So, thank you, sir. Thank you. And we still want to be clear on yung rights na pinasolution. Salamat po. Yung rights ba ng aid, o rights ba ng Pilipino, o rights ba ng what are the rights?
Those are the Miranda rights, sir, under our laws. That was led by Brigadier General Nicole, sir.
As the Miranda rights being adopted by the Convention?
It doesn't necessarily have to be, sir.
Hindi ko masyado, sir. Relax lang tayo, magkaibigan tayo.
Yes, sir.
Pero pagkatapos ito, kita rin tayo. Whether I'm in jail or somewhere, we will eventually see together. So let us not grab it. Anong gusto lang malaman? Kasi siyempre, I am a Filipino citizen. Galing ko lang sa labas, bakasyon. At ito ang nangyari sa akin. So, ang first is, what is the basis for my arrest? If I am being arrested now for detention, and the basis of detention. So, what is the law and what is the crime that I committed?
May we allow to answer, Mr. Former President, sir?
Yes, sir.
Based on the warrant of arrest, Mr. President, the warrant of arrest is issued pursuant to Article 25, 3, subsection A, the statute for the crimes against humanity, and murder pursuant to Article 7, paragraph 1, subsection A of the same statute, committed in the Republic of the Philippines during the relevant period. That is the one we just mentioned, Mr. President, in the warrant of arrest.
Yeah, ano man, simple hindi na-review hard ka.
Yes, sir.
Because we want to exercise our options. Hindi yung ipiprint ko dito, yung natanggap ko dito.
Show us the basis for the, restriction of freedom. Importante yan.